And one of the last packages came. Well, it's nicely wrapped. And here it is. Another steering wheel hub. Hopefully this one is better. This is the Momo hub. Got it for, I think, like $30. And then plus shipping was probably like $10, something like that. And these usually go for probably $80, $90 plus shipping. So definitely a steal. And yeah, has the, I believe this was like the clock spring thing. So this should be pretty good. But anyhow, now I can install my steering wheel and drive the car comfortably without hitting my knee every time. So yeah, I'll get to you guys in the next clip. Just got an oil change, and as you guys can see, there's a whole bunch of smoke coming from somewhere. Let's see, I have no idea what that's from. What the hell? I don't see anything under. That's very odd. I have no idea what that's from. What the hell? Alright, so you guys see this little blemish right here. I'm gonna test something out really quickly and see if it works, so I'll get back to you guys in a second. So yeah, and boom, looks pretty good now. I did right here where it was discolored, just sprayed the rust just because I was bored. I did these spots right here and it looks decent for a quick 2-second thing, just to make the car, you know, just a little more presentable or whatever. I don't care, but it's just something to do when I'm bored. Also, I'm pretty sure I unboxed it, but I attached the Momo hub onto the OMP 2-spoke wheel. This 2-spoke still isn't really growing on me yet, but for the price, I can't turn it down. This is in total probably like a $400 setup, and I didn't even pay $100 for it. So yeah, I'll probably get around to installing this thing tomorrow. And then yeah, you guys will get a clip on that. And then also, I got a question about people asking me how to install the M3 mirrors. And give me 2 seconds to get the key. And yeah, so this is how you do it. Flathead. So it's really easy. You just pop this off, as you guys saw, and there's 3 bolts. Oops. One back here that you can't really see. You could kind of see the hole right there. And then, this thing isn't really focusing. 2, 3. Pop those out. And you make sure that you keep this thing connected. And you pull this right here up. And then you can just tape it. Hopefully you guys saw that. You pull this up. You can tape it right here. And you hold this with the other hand. And then you let the thing drop. So the wire comes up and it doesn't drop down into the door. Because you don't want to have to take off the whole door card. And then you put this one on. Put the bolt in. I believe it's a 10. Start this one by hand. Start this one by hand. Start this one by hand. And yeah, that's after you connect it as well. And then you should be all set. It's really, really easy to do. 5 minutes and you'll get both on. And M3 mirrors. And then you just slide this down here into the corner. And then boom. Granted, this thing isn't connected like all the way because you kind of have to like finesse this one in, but it doesn't really matter. As long as it's like this, it's good enough. So yeah, that's how you install M3 mirrors onto a non-M car, or replace your M3 mirrors on your M3, and it's super easy. And as you guys see, it really changes the look of the car, like gives it a more aggressive aerodynamic look, let me say. But yeah, this thing is really coming along so well. I can't wait to boost it and wide body it, bag it, all the fun stuff. It's coming. I'm enjoying the car a little slower than what I initially planned, because I was thinking I could just buy everything, install everything, just have the car, you know, boosted and everything like now. But then I'm just like, I won't really be able to experience the different stages, and it'll be super rushed, and then I'm gonna get bored of the car. So it's just like I take it step by step, document the process, give you guys, you know, like reviews of each thing. And the M50 manifold review is coming soon. I just have to figure out the idling issue. I'm pretty sure we just skipped a step or did something wrong, or something is loose or something. But yeah, some tissue stuck in the thing. But anyhow, it's just like once you take it step by step, you enjoy the build more. And I learned that from the guy Phil S2K. You guys should definitely go subscribe to him. His videos are sick. His S2000 sick. And yeah, take your time, build it how you want, and enjoy the car. Because I know if I rushed it like I rushed the Z, I wouldn't really get to enjoy it. Granted, this is going to be built in the same speed as the Z, or maybe even quicker than the Z, but that's only because I've had an E36 before. So I'm going to do all the things that I wanted to do to it, step by step. So yeah, this was just a quick, short little video. The unboxing, whatever, them M3 mirrors and the little paint touch-ups, and that's it. So I'll get you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.